Greg, so in a pretty rare move, the Kitsap County case is bypassing the typical appellate process and going straight to the state Supreme Court because of the extraordinary circumstances surrounding this case. Each year, more than 10,000 people are arrested by Washington State Patrol for DUI.
Keep going, keep going, keep on.
And for a jury in a DUI case, the number on a breathalyzer is like DNA in a murder case.
Juries heavily rely upon that number for convictions. They assume it's very scientific, so they can rely on it.
The Draeger 9510 breathalyzer machine has been used in thousands of DUI cases, but a recent case in Kitsap County got those results thrown out. District Court judges agreed with attorneys that a technicality made results invalid and goes against state administrative code. Veteran DUI attorney George Bianchi was brought in to help the case.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it was happening myself.
The Draeger machine determines the blood alcohol level by taking 4 samples and calculating the average. Under state law, the number is supposed to be rounded to the 4th decimal place, but the machine truncates it, ending it at the 4th digit. A small technicality that could have major impacts on DUI cases.
The confidence that we need to have in the machine that it's doing everything right for that ticket to just look at it and say, yes, it's admissible. And now we're finding it's not doing everything right.
Now the state Supreme Court will take up the opinion from all 4 of Kitsap County's district judges because the decision has the potential to affect a lot of DUI cases.
It is significant, but there could also be differing rulings by different courts. And so it's one of those things that needs one solid ruling for all the court.
Right now in King County, prosecutors have requested a similar case be put on hold until the state Supreme Court makes its decision. Bianchi believes a backlog of DUI cases could be coming.
It would seem that it would be about a year before our Supreme Court would rule on this issue. So that's a long time with a lot of cases waiting.
Court documents show the state toxicologist knew about the calculation error for years, but didn't say anything until last year.
It was disheartening, but it wasn't a surprise because we've had our concerns about this Draeger machine since it came out.
Washington State Patrol says the truncation method benefits the defendant, and cites out of more than 80,000 cases, only 8 had any impacts noted. The department is now proposing changing the language in the Washington Administrative Code to match the machine's process. There will be a public hearing on the proposed change on September 27th. No date has been set for when the state Supreme Court will hear the Kitsap ruling. Back to you.